Hello students, today we will learn the chapter 11, Simple Present Tense and Present Continuous Tense. Simple Present Tense. Simple Present Tense means the work, the thing we are doing now. It's known as Simple Present Tense. Okay? And Simple Present Continuous means that the work is going on. That means the work is going on is known as Present Continuous Tense. Okay, see. How does an astronaut sleep in space? In space, there is no gravity, so everyone float. So we sleep in a sleeping bag. These sleeping bags are attached to the wall of the spacecraft. We get into our bag so that they don't bump into the walls. Hence, in space, we really do sleep while floating in the air. Okay, see in the space how this astronaut sleep, because there is no gravity, so we just float. So we sleep in a sleeping bag. Okay, now see the highlighted words in the above sentence tell us about actions that are always true. These words are in the simple present tense. Means the words highlighted, these words has been highlighted means they are true. Okay, that means they are simple present tense. Okay, here these words float, sleep are attached, bump, do, sleep, get means they are true. These words, these actions are true. That's why they are simple present tense. Simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk our universal truth. Universal truth that cannot be changed means it is true. No one can change that thing. Okay, see the example. The sun rises in the east. It is an universal truth. No one can change this one. That the sun rises in the east. Okay, the earth revolves around the sun. This is revolves around the sun. This is the simple present tense. This is the universal truth. No one can change these things. Okay. See here, rise. Rise is the simple present tense. And revolves means it's moving around the sun. Okay. These are the simple present tense. To talk about habit and regular action. Example, I drink a water of glass every day. I drink a glass of milk every day. Means in daily, every day I drink a glass of milk. Okay, so here drink is a present tense. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay, it isn't true that we wear raincoats in rainy season. So wear is a simple present tense. Okay, to refer to events scheduled in the near future. Okay. So it is the near future means it is going to be happen. So that time we will use simple present tense. See, my flight departs at 6 a.m. means that your flight is going to depart at 6 a.m. So depart is the simple present tense. Okay. School reopens in July. It is true that school is going to reopen in July. So reopen is a simple present tense. Okay. To convey statements that are always true means this sentence are always true. Cows move means how the cow makes its noise. Bee strings. Okay. So these are the true that cannot be changed. So that time we will use simple present tense. Okay. Now see. To refer to event, action and situation without any time reference. Okay. We will use that time when there will be event, action and situation without any time. Okay. Kavita lives in Dehradun. Kavita lives where? Kavita lives in Dehradun means that she lives in Dehradun. From which she lives. So we will use simple present tense. I love walnuts cake. I don't know from when I started loving walnut cakes, but I love. Okay, so it is a simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about the habits and actions that are always true or happen frequently. Okay, simple present tense is used about our habits or the action or the things we are doing are always true or happens frequently, means it is happening continuously. That means that time we will use simple present tense. Okay, the action that is true, the habit that is no. Here see the example. I love walnuts cake, means I know that I love walnuts. That is true. That means that time we use simple present tense. Okay. We use the simple present tense form of the verb in its root form or by adding es to its root form. Okay, see. Arithmetic sentence. I, you, singular. We, they, you, plural. He, she, it. When I, you, we, they, you are plural. When I is I, you, we, they, you is used, that time we will use play. Okay, but when it is written he, she, it, that time we will use plays. Okay. In the negative sentence, I, you, singular, we, they, you, plural, do not, don't, play. We will use do not or don't. Okay, we will use do not or don't, play. Okay. Now he, she, it, that time we will use does not or doesn't play in the negative sentence. Okay. Interrogative, do, because interrogative means we are asking question. Okay, so before do, in do, when we will use do, when I, you, singular will be there, we, they, you we will be there, that time we will use do and play. Okay. Now in this does, he, she, it, does will be used when he, she, it is written and play, and then after question mark. Okay. Now see, present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about activities that are happening at that moment. Okay, I told that the activities, the work which is we are doing right now at the moment, that time we will use continuous tense. Okay, we form the present continuous tense by using is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so here see the example. I am climbing the stair. See here, after I we are using am, because after in I we are using am, and then ing, climbing. This is the verb, and in the form of verb we are using ing, the stairs. Okay, I am climbing the stairs. Rima is combing her hair, means she is combing her hair. Okay, see here is and ing. Tina and Misa are playing. Tina and Misa are playing tennis. Okay, see here are two girls are playing, so that's why we are using are, and then playing ing form is used, tennis. Okay, now see, we always use the present continuous to talk about action planned for the near future. Okay, we use the present continuous tense, means that the things is going to happen, that time we use present continuous tense. See here, they means plural, so that's why we are using are. They are going, see ing form is used, to visit the temple soon, means in this sentence it is saying that we are going, we don't know, but soon we are going to visit the temple. Okay, we are taking up art classes next week. From the next week we are going to start art classes. So we is a plural form, that's why we are using are, and then ing form. Okay, now see, study the given table to understand the uses of pronouns in the present continuous tense. Arithmetic sentence. See here, I am. When it is written I, then we will use am. Okay. He, she, it is written, that time we will use is. You, we, they, you. If you, we, they, you is written, that time we will use are. And then ing, playing or studying, reading, anything. Okay, this is the main. You have to learn this. Now see next. Negative sentence. I. At that time when it is I written, what I have told? Am. And negative means not. We have to use not that time. He, she, it is not. You, we, they, you are not playing. Okay. Interrogative. Interrogative means questioning. Am I. That time this am will be written in the front. Then after am we will use I. Okay. Am I playing? Okay. Is he, she, it playing? Are you, we, they, you playing? Okay. Now see. Formation of ing form of the verb. In the case of most verbs, we add ing to the root form of the verb. Okay. See here, rep is written and plus ing is repeating. Okay. Then here call plus ing, calling. When a verb end in e, we omit that e and add ing. Okay. When the word, see here the word is ended with e, but after ing we will not use this e. When you see here dinin ding. See, it's a dine is written, but we are not using e. Okay. See here is gilde plus ing plus. We are using gliding, not e. We are not using e. Okay. Number C. In case of certain verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing. Okay. See here, knit. Knit plus ing. But here we are using knit. Here the word we have used, we are doubling the last letter. So it is knitting. Here see, swim. swim plus ing, but here the last word we are doubling. See here double m ing. Okay. Now see, when verb end in ie, we change ie to y and then adding ing. See here I at the last, when it is written, the word is written at the last ie, then we will change to y and then we will add ing. Okay. See here example. lie. See, last two words is ie. That time we will use yin, line. Okay. Here see, tie. tie plus ing, tying. See here, these two words we have removed and we have used y, ing. Now see, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. I does not like to play football. I do not like to play football. My sister does not understand Hindi. My sister does not understand Hindi. We does learn Sanskrit in school. We have learned Sanskrit in school. Gaurav does play the guitar very well. Gaurav plays the guitar very well. My grandmother does a sweater for me every winter. Needs. Okay. Arun does not know the way to the market. Does not know the way to the market. My best friend does not. My best friend does. Writes to me every year. We dash in the park. We do jogs in the park every day. Okay. Now see, we have to write in the negative way. The boys have a new bicycle. The boys do not have new bicycle. Here we will use do not. Okay. The boys do not have. The boys have not. The boys do not have new bicycle. I am angry with Arun. I am not angry with Arun. Asa is a good dancer. Asa is not a good dancer. The doctors are on strike. The doctors are not on strike. Jasmine drives well. Jasmine does not drive well. We have holidays in December. We do not have holiday in December. Okay. Now you have to do it yourself. This one and this one. Okay. Thank you.